Radiance Academy invites applications for admissions of January 2025 intake. Learners accompanied by their parents can visit the school along Kiratina Road off Nakuru Nairobi Highway near Free Area. The award-winning school is open to learners joining ECE, Grade 1 to Grade 6 and Junior School. Radiance Academy is committed to providing students with a comprehensive and engaging education with a focus on personal growth and academic excellence. The wide range of facilities at the school, along with different clubs, helps children to develop crucial skills like critical thinking, effective communication, problem solving, and leadership. The positive atmosphere at Radiance will build emotional and strong social connections between students and teachers, making them feel comfortable, respected, and valued. Visit us today for an interview or call 0707 071 007 for inquiries. Radiance Academy, we instill education and godliness. Elsewhere at Radiance Premier Academy in Nairobi, we continue to provide education that goes beyond the ordinary. Our state-of-the-art facilities create a conducive environment for learning and personal growth. The school is committed to shape well-rounded individuals through academics, creativity, and character, thus preparing students to make a positive impact on the world. Enroll your child with Radiance Premier Academy by visiting the school at Jacaranda Close off Kiambu Road, Nairobi. Call 0701 246 971 for more information.